thing that I love about our trio holidays in Bournemouth is the fact that we have 3 different artists. So you get 3 different types of tuition, 3 different styles, and something to take out of it from everyone. A different artist each day, and it just makes the whole break really interesting with lovely sea views, beautiful food, and we have these lovely presents. Now this one is early bird booking, so if you book before the end of October you receive this. And in our watercolour in March 2025 we have 3 wonderful watercolour artists. Paul Matthews, we have Jenny Lovers, who does Chinese brush paint, and I will tell you a little bit more about this because this is relevant to her class, and Podie Lodmore. Jenny paints Chinese brushwork, and it's sort of like the basis to everything. It's very simple, but you need lots of materials. So what we've done is we've put together all the materials that you need so that you don't have to buy anything special and you take these away with you. So shall we open the box? What have we got in here? It's just like Christmas. So it's just to get you into the Chinese feel of things. Lovely scroll, silky scarf, and what you will also need is plenty of paper, and we've got lots of choices of paper for you to practice on. These are very long sheets. I think they're about 6 foot, so you'll have plenty of paper and lots of different types. The other thing that I thought might be quite fun is a scroll, and you can make a design, and it's very long, as you can see, and you could do your Chinese painting on there. So there's lots of things to think about. I'm sort of thinking about, I want to do one, maybe a Corfe Castle done in a sort of English Chinese type sort of merge, so that would be quite nice. We have some Chinese letters for you to play and copy with, a beautiful brush, and there's even more, some ink and another little brush. What have we got? Oh my goodness, a little dish to put your ink on. Oh, that is beautiful. It's got that cracked glaze. I love these. And that colour. Oh, and a fan that we can paint on in a Chinese sort of way. There's still things in there. Just keep delving in. Beautiful little china stand to put our brushes on. Sort of stand like that so that you don't drip. They're useful for all sorts of things. And some Chinese paints. I wonder if I can get that off. I don't think I can, but you have 12 different colours of little tubed paint in there, so that will really get you started. And there's still more. We have an incense stand and a little cone to put on that. We also have some incense sticks. Oh, they smell beautiful. So we're really going to get the feel of this, aren't we? We have a proper bamboo brush. And finally, our beautiful paper lantern to get us in the mood. Now all this can be yours if you book now and put your deposit on your painting holiday for the watercolour in 2025. That's in March. So do take a look at my website And oh, I think I want to go and play with this now.